Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program 2007 Chevy Suburban key fob. Start with all doors closed and the key out of the ignition, then insert and remove the key 6 times quickly to enter programming mode. When the locks cycle, press any button on the new fob until the locks cycle again to confirm programming, then turn the ignition off and test the fob on all doors. Now follow these steps at a steady pace so your Suburban recognizes the new fob. Start by standing near the driver door and have the new fob in hand. Insert and remove the key 6 times quickly, wait for the door locks to cycle, then press any button on the fob until the locks cycle again. Finish by turning off the ignition and test. If you run into trouble, stay calm and repeat the process step by step. A weak battery in the fob is a common cause, so swap in a new battery and try again. Make sure you complete the key insertion sequence quickly but carefully, and program all additional remotes in the same cycle so they register together with the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.